Best Orient ceiling fans for home. Number 5. Orient Electric iFloat 1200 mm 32 watt intelligent BLDC ceiling fan for home. Approx price 5585 rupees. 1200 mm comes with aerodynamic blades. Speed of 330 rpm. Air delivery is 215 cm. 5-star rated ceiling fan. Consume only 32 watt power. Warranty of 3 years. Number 4. Orient Electric Gratia Shine Aluminum 1200 mm Deco Fan. Approx price 2999 rupees. Highest air delivery. Strongest motor. 16 pole. Decorative ring and trim. Wide tip blades. Rust proof aluminum blades. Number 3. Orient Electric Aero Quiet Noiseless Premium Ceiling Fan for Home. Approx price 5754 rupees. 100% copper motor. High speed of 310 rpm. Air delivery of 240 cm. Rust proof blades. 2-year on-site warranty. Number 2. Orient Electric Windy Ceiling Fan Azure Blue 48 inch 1200 mm. Approx price 4750 rupees. 100% copper motor. Double ball bearing technology. Sleek metallic finish with lash square coating. High speed of 320 rpm. Air delivery of 230 cm. Rust proof. Number 1. Orient Electric iTone 1200 mm 26 watt intelligent BLDC energy saving ceiling fan with remote. Approx price 3559 rupees. Motor comes only 26 watt of energy. Voltage between 140 to 270 volts. Remote comes with 5 speed settings. Timer functionality for 2, 4, 6 and 8 hours. High speed of 370 rpm. Air delivery of 220 cm. 3-year on-site warranty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.